Hey everyone, factory update. So this is SeaPod Eco model number 2 that is in production now. We're estimating the first one took about a year and a week to be complete and put it on the water. And now this one, we're estimating this one will be done in about 3 months. So say 4, just to be sure, just to be safe. But this is going to go much faster. And then the one after this is going to go faster and faster and faster. And then of course we'll be able to do them so they'll be at different stages of production, so you'll have not just making one, but you'll be making like 5 or something like that. So things are getting faster here, which is great. Research and development always takes longer. So this has only been a couple days now. So we should have this first, the bottom section complete pretty soon. I think by sometime next week. So within a week, this will be complete and assembled. Then we're going to build a mold for the floor, so we can just drop the floor in, mostly as one piece, which would be great because the last one was a lot of work to do. So so right now what we're doing is you can see we're filing out a section here. This is going to be, so we're going to put a walking platform that goes all the way around. The new molds that we're making are going to have that built into it, so we don't have to do that manually. So each time we're doing this, we're getting it a little bit better, a little bit better, a little bit better. But yeah, it's coming along well. And yeah, so that's it.